let's try this one. It says you may use a calculator to solve this. Interesting. Let f of x equal x cubed minus 7x squared plus 25x minus 39, and let g of x be the inverse of f of x. What is the value of g prime of 0? Pause this video, grab your calculator, and see if you can figure this out. This is a humdinger. Okie doke, I'm going to try to use our new relationship, the thing that we just discovered. So g prime of x, of course, f and g are inverses, that's why this works, is going to be 1 over f prime. So let's figure out what f prime is. F prime here, I'm just doing the power rule, is 3x squared. I'm just going to leave the x empty for now. Minus power rule, 14x plus 25. And the reason I'm leaving those blank, all those x's blank, is because I'm going to put a g of x in there. Those are my inputs when I'm finding the derivative of a inverse function. Okay, very good. So now let's cut to the chase. I want to find g prime of 0. I'm just going to turn all these x's into zeros. Hope you're okay with that. So what we need to do now is to find an actual value for g of 0. All right, so let's make our little chart. I love these little charts. X, f of x, x, g of x. I want to know what g of x is when x is 0, right? Which means I want to know what x is when f of x is 0. So if I can find this x, that will give me my g of x when x is 0. All right, so that means I want to set this equal to 0. I want to set this whole thing equal to 0. Hey, I think this is where the calculator was going to come in. Calculator time. I don't feel like solving that algebraically, do you? I'm just going to do y1 equals the left-hand side, y2 equals 0, do the trace function, graph it, do second trace, intersect, and I get a nice number. X is 3. So when x is 3, f of x is 0, which means when x is 0, g of x is 3. Oh, that is cool. So this gives me 1 over, we're getting a little tight here, 3 times 3 squared minus 14 times 3 plus 25. And that is going to give me, drum roll please, 1/10. All right, have fun.
Moves like a fist through traffic, anger and no one can heal it. Shoves a little bump to the moment.